Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. Today's Budget Babe video is very special because I have a huge announcement. I am hosting my first giveaway. I hope that it's the first of many giveaways on my channel. I'm gonna show you everything that you can win, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you the rules on how to enter this giveaway. So let's take a look at what you can win. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is nail products. So we have here this new color 4-count nail polish set. This is a really nice holiday nail set. We have red, we have silver glitter, we have a purple, and we have a really pretty shimmery metallic green. Really cute. Next for nails, I have this 60-count set of nails in different colors. Each color comes with 10 nails. We have a black, a white, a pink, a red, a nude, and a brown. And they are a stiletto nail shape. And if you look at the picture, you can do like a multicolor on one hand, or you can decide to use all 10. It's really nice. So this is the 60 count. And the brand is Sassy and Chic. The next items are skincare. First, we have here a face serum, the coconut and rose milk serum by Bolero. Next in skincare, we have here the Sassy and Chic Jade Roller. I love jade rollers. These are really nice for putting on your sheet masks or just kind of depuffing your face in the morning with your moisturizer. So it is a nice green colored jade roller. The next items are lipsticks. So I have here a Wet n Wild lipstick in the color Dark Wine. It's a really pretty dark brick red. Wet n Wild has some really great matte lipsticks. The next lipstick is actually a multi-purpose stick. We have here the LA Colors glitter stick. And this is a really pretty blue color, and it's super glittery, if you can see. And it says here it can be used all over the face. So if you want some blue glitter on your eyes, on your cheeks, on your lips, this is a really nice blue glitter stick. Next, we have lashes. Not one, but 2 pairs of lashes. 2 pairs of the Ayani 3D faux mink lashes. And these are the extra large wispies. These are amazing. They look just like real mink lashes. They're super fluffy and curly, and they adhere to the eyelid so nicely. These are awesome, and they're great for any makeup look. Our next item is a Hard Candy Look Pro Ultimate Contour and Sculpt Kit. This is a really nice set. It comes with a brush and some concealers and cream contours. We have really nice dark, medium, and light tones. So, contour is so fun. And finally, the best was left for last. In this giveaway, you can win not 1, but 2 gorgeous palettes. These are by Profusion. The first one is the Spectrum palette. It has these gorgeous matte bright colors, and they're huge. They're a great size. And the Mauve palette. This has some really nice shimmers and mattes and glitter. So it's more natural mauve tones, and it is just gorgeous. I love Profusion palettes because they are super pigmented and super easy to blend. So these are some really great palettes, and it pretty much comes with everything. You got your brights and your neutral tones, and you can create so many great looks with these palettes. So let's get on with the rules. In order to win this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Your profile has to be public so that you're visible on my subscriber list. Second, you cannot subscribe and then unsubscribe after the giveaway is over, because you will be excluded from future giveaways. Next, you gotta give this video a nice thumbs up so that I know that you're excited for the giveaway. And last, you have to leave a comment down below that says Budget Babe. Once you do all 3 steps, you're automatically entered into my giveaway. This giveaway will be open for 2 weeks, and I'll announce the winner on December 22nd, just in time to send it out for Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye and good luck.